Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly captivate their crushes while others struggle just to get noticed? It's not luck, it's strategy. And today, I'm going to reveal the secret weapons they use. Dark psychology mind games that will make you absolutely irresistible. If you want to flip the script and have your crush chasing you, stick around. This is going to be powerful. Number 1, the power of delayed gratification. Show your crush that you're not easily swayed by immediate rewards. When they suggest something, don't always agree right away. Instead, take your time to respond or make them work a little harder for your attention. This makes you appear more valuable and intriguing. Number 2, the reverse psychology trick. Reverse psychology is a classic technique that still works wonders. Casually suggest that they might not be interested in something and watch as they try to prove you wrong. For example, say, "You probably wouldn't enjoy this. It's more of my thing," and see how they respond. Number 3, the curiosity gap. People can't resist curiosity. Drop intriguing hints about something you know or a story you've experienced, but don't tell the whole story. This leaves your crush itching to know more, ensuring they keep coming back to learn the rest. Number 4, the phantom text effect. Send a message that's slightly ambiguous or intriguing, and then stop responding for a while. For example, "You won't believe what happened today," and then go silent for a bit. This keeps them on the edge of their seat, eagerly awaiting your next move. Number 5, the social proof strategy. Subtly let your crush know that other people find you attractive or interesting, whether it's a casual mention of someone complimenting you or noticing others gravitating towards you. This creates a sense of competition and increases your value in their eyes. Number 6, the favor request. Asking your crush for a small favor might sound counterintuitive, but it works. When they do something for you, they subconsciously start to justify why they did it, often by convincing themselves that they like you more than they initially thought. It's called the Ben Franklin effect. Number 7, the hidden compliment. Instead of giving straightforward compliments, hide them within casual conversation. For instance, "I guess I should expect nothing less from someone as creative as you." This subtlety makes the compliment more impactful and keeps you from coming off as too eager. Number 8, the what-if game. Plant hypothetical scenarios in their mind that involve both of you. For example, "What if we got stuck on a deserted island? I bet we'd make a great team." This subtle tactic makes them envision a future with you, even if it's just in a playful context. Number 9, the limited edition effect. Make yourself feel like a limited edition by highlighting unique aspects of your personality or experiences that few others share. It could be a rare skill, an unusual hobby, or a unique perspective. This makes you stand out and become someone they want to know more about. Number 10, the emotional decoy. Share something slightly vulnerable or emotional about yourself, but not too deep. This creates a sense of connection and makes them feel special for being trusted with your thoughts. Just be sure not to overshare. Keeping a little distance makes them want to dig deeper. Conclusion, there you have it. 10 mind games that will make you irresistible to your crush. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. And remember, be owly.